Hello friends, I'm going to take some books up to the attic and bring some books down. Okay, so how would I do that? Oh, and I want to see about replacing this. Let's see. How's this work? I'm not sure how to make it work. Like this? No, I would think it would be like this. Maybe pushing it up like this. Oh, wait a minute. There's the problem. It shouldn't get hooked. Okay. And then, oh man, it's not bending. How does it go? It's not wanting to bend. No, it's not staying. I have to hold this down or something. Shit. It's not bending. Oh man. I'm trying to get it. I'm not sure how to get it to work. If it's like this. Let's see if I can do it. I'll put it. How's it that I used to do it? Let's see. Let's see. Where did I put this? Right here, maybe? Can you see it? Let's see if I can. Maybe I can hold this down and pull